Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent, and this is Unité 10, leçon N. And we'll see in this video, le discours indirect, so it's the second part of this discours indirect, and in that case we'll see les expressions de temps. Just because as we saw, normally in most of the cases the things that will change when you want to construct this discours indirect are the subject and the verbs. But of course, if you're using this expression de temps, well, they will change, of course, and we'll see how they will change. So normally if you say aujourd'hui, so at the direct form, aujourd'hui, today, if you want to transpose that at this discours indirect form, it will become ce jour-là, this day, ce jour-là. Okay, so aujourd'hui is not possible to be used in this discours indirect form, but then you should use instead ce jour-là. Okay? Same thing, ce matin, this morning, you will use ce matin-là. Okay? Ce soir, ce soir-là. And then, en ce moment, at this time, en ce moment, should be à ce moment-là. Okay, so remember, aujourd'hui will become ce jour-là if you change a sentence and if you put it at le discours indirect. Ce matin will become ce matin-là. Ce soir will become ce soir-là. And then en ce moment will become à ce moment-là. Okay, let's see. Hier, yesterday. And so it will become la veille. Avant-hier, so the day before yesterday. L'avant-veille. Il y a 5 jours, so remember we've got this il y a structure to say this ago, so 5 jours, 5 days. 5 days ago, in French it's il y a 5 jours. And then if you transpose this, il y a 5 jours, into this discours indirect, it will become 5 jours plus tôt. Okay, plus tôt, earlier. Okay, so hier will become la veille. Avant-hier will become l'avant-veille, and then il y a 5 jours will become 5 jours plus tôt. Okay? And we can continue, if you want, with demain. Demain is tomorrow, and tomorrow will become le lendemain, the following day, le lendemain. Après-demain, after tomorrow, and it will become le surlendemain. Okay? And dans 5 jours, in 5 days, will become 5 jours plus tard, later. Okay, so keep in mind that demain will become le surlendemain if you change your structure into this discours indirect. Après-demain will become le surlendemain. And then dans 5 jours, in 5 days, will become 5 jours plus tard, 5 days later. Okay, that was it. It was simple and short, and I hope it was clear. If you want more videos, then youtube.com/imagier and the website imagier.net is waiting for you. Have a great day. Bye bye.